This lip balm claims 24-hour hydration, but does it actually work? Or is it just hype? I tested it so you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Unboxing. Today I'm reviewing the Maybelline Lifter Glaze Oil Balm. It claims to give 24 hours of smooth, moisturized shine. So let's see if that's actually true. This is basically a lip balm, lip oil, and lip gloss all in one. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and a hydrating oil blend. And the best part, it's not sticky at all, just smooth and shiny. The packaging comes in a twist-up stick form, not a tube, which makes it super easy to apply anytime. The texture feels like a soft, balm oil hybrid. It glides on easily and feels really comfortable on the lips. It also has a very subtle vanilla scent, which is nice and not overpowering. On the lips, it feels super lightweight. It gives a glass-like shine without that heavy, sticky feeling. Perfect for everyday wear or even on top of lipstick. After 2 hours, the shine fades a little, but lips still feel soft and hydrated. After 6 hours, there's still no dryness at all. After 12 hours, lips are still moisturized. But obviously, it doesn't stay on the lips for a full 24 hours. So the hydration lasts longer than the shine. Here are the pros and cons. Very hydrating, not sticky at all. Beautiful glass-like shine. Subtle vanilla scent, easy to apply. Color is very sure not for you if you want strong pigment. Doesn't last 24 hours on the lips. Can get messy if you apply too much. Overall, I give this an 8 out of 10. It's a great everyday lip balm if you want hydration plus shine without stickiness. But if you're looking for strong color payoff, this is not it. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.